Good evening, my friends. So it is official. Lawmakers in Congress are ready to boost monthly benefits for seniors and Social Security recipients. Deposit dates for the next round of relief checks have also been confirmed. Friends, there's a lot of breaking news to cover in today's video related to the $2,000 fourth stimulus checks. So please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can claim these boosted payments. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family. And if you're interested to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please stay tuned until the end of this video for the keyword.
Most people don't know there's been a law in the books for almost a century to make sure that your tax dollars support American jobs and American businesses. Every administration says they're going to use that law. But when it comes time to make these purchases, whether that's the deck of an aircraft carrier or a ventilation system in a school, the response often is from the government. We can't find an American company, so we need to issue a waiver and buy the product that was made overseas, not by an American worker. So Buy American became a hollow promise. Well, my administration, Buy American is a reality. We've created a Made in American office in the White House to oversee efforts. And you just heard from Celeste, who runs that office. My first cabinet meeting, I told everyone that if their agency wants to issue a waiver to purchase something for their agency and what they have responsibility for, they don't have to use and they think they don't have to use an American company. Well, guess what? They have to come to the White House office and set up and explain to me why they have to post that request, why they have to do that. And they're going to have to post a request publicly on our sites. So
Our lawmakers in Congress have officially teamed up to propose giving Social Security beneficiaries an extra $200 per month during the crisis. The plan was officially put forward by Senate Democrats Elizabeth Warren, Chuck Schumer, and Ron Wyden. This extra income would apply to all Social Security, veterans, and Supplemental Security Income, or SSI beneficiaries. The bonus money would continue through this year, adding up to an extra $4,000. In an official statement, Senator Elizabeth Warren said, "Increasing Social Security benefits is the quickest way to get money out the door during an economic crisis." The idea of boosting Social Security benefits by $200 per month has been widely supported by multiple lawmakers from both parties. However, the senators did not explain how they would offset the costs of the increased benefits in their plan. This proposal is part of the Senate Democrats' plan that calls for at least $750 billion to help fight the crisis and the effects it is having on the U.S. economy. The move comes as some fear that many Social Security beneficiaries could be left out of the proposed bonus checks from the government. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell recently put forward a proposal that included Social Security income. However, because the plan uses income from 2018 tax returns as a qualifier, this means it could leave those out who don't usually file taxes with the IRS because their income is too low. According to the Senate Democrats, the additional $200 a month would help almost 64 million Americans who currently receive Social Security, many of whom are vulnerable right now because they are older or disabled. So having extra money in their Social Security checks can greatly help those individuals stave off extra healthcare expenses that they may face, or even help offset added cost of hiring help with grocery shopping. President Biden has also proposed a new tax plan. If his plan is enacted into law, people who earn more than $400,000 per year would be subject to the 3.8% Medicare tax. Biden has called for applying Social Security payroll taxes to those making $400,000 and up. This year, wages up to $142,800 are subject to that tax, which is 6.2% of wages for both workers and employers. President Biden has also stated that the increased levies would help pay for proposed benefit increases, including raising the minimum Social Security benefit to at least 125% of the federal poverty level. So my friends, what are your thoughts on the proposed changes to Social Security? Do you agree with them or not? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Central Park. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and any additional keyword from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The second round of Social Security checks, reflecting the 5.9% cost of living adjustment, went out this month, and now recipients are waiting on the third, coming in March. The COLA increase was the largest in nearly 40 years for those who qualify for the adjustment, and it could not come at a more welcome time, because the U.S. inflation now sits at a whopping 7.5% and is expected to keep rising as the crisis and supply chain issues it has caused rage on. So I know many of you are wondering, when will these checks be deposited this month? If your birthday is on the 1st to the 10th of the month, then your payment would be distributed on the second Wednesday, which is March 9th. If your birthday is on the 11th to 20th, then your payment will be deposited on the third Wednesday, which is March 16th. But if your birthday is on the 21st to 31st of the month, then your payment will be distributed on the third Wednesday, which will be March 23rd. If you feel that Social Security does not provide enough income to meet your basic needs, remember that you may also be eligible to apply for Supplemental Security Income to receive an additional benefit on top of your monthly Social Security check. But for this month, SSI benefits have already been paid out on March 1st. Well, my good friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who's watching my videos daily. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please do me a favor and share this video with your friends and family. If they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.